Today, nature feels a little quieter than it did yesterday. Quieter and hotter, too. The more quiet it becomes, the easier it is to listen to when the wind speaks. Today, its voice blows through all the leaves with simple clarity that borders on strength and vigor. It rustles softly, then gets just a little boisterous, then murmurs softly once more, almost inaudible, then takes another exhale and speaks again. Such a hot wind today, with not a cloud in the sky. The birds speak off and on to each other in the heat of an afternoon. One voice, then another, as if listening between their calls to each other. Today's wind feels consistent in its ebbs and its flows, though never really predictable. Nothing like the sea. When I remember to stop and notice the wind on my face, on my body, it never ceases to fill me with wonder, a quiet joy at being touched by the breath of the earth.